x squared. Now, why are we looking for the factors of minus 30x? We're going to look for the factors of minus 30x squared. Now, these factors must sum up or add up to give us the middle term or the second term. The second term here is plus 13x. The first term here is 2x squared, second term is plus 13x, and the third term is minus 15. So now that we've taken the product of this, and we've gotten this, now we're going to look for the factors of minus 30x squared. Now, these two factors must add up to give us the middle term, which is plus 13x. So that tells you that we're not going to pick anyhow. We're not going to pick anyhow. We have to be selective in our choosing. So we're going to pick or look for a factor that would add up to give us plus 13x. So let's look at that. Now, some of the factors of minus 30 or 30. Let's start with 30 in this case. We have 10 and 3. That's 10 times 3 will give us 30. Now, I can use 10 and 3. Or, let's see. 10 and 3 is a factor. Then we also have 2 and 15, right? So let's put them out. We have 10 and we have 3. We have 2 and we have 15. We have 2 and we have 15. Now let's try to use 10 and 3 and see if we are going to get minus 30x squared, right? So obviously I have to put x here and then I put x here. So 10x times 3x obviously gives me 30x squared. But we are not looking for 30x squared, we are looking for minus 30x squared. So it's either I place the minus on 3x or I place the minus on 10x. So let's place it on 10. So if I were to place it on 10, then I have to get my minus here. Now, fine, this is minus 10x times 3x. It perfectly gives us minus 30x squared. But there is a problem. Remember I said we're going to pick two factors that must add up or sum up to give us what? The second term. So this satisfies this condition. So it must satisfy both conditions. That is the sum, and the product rather, and the sum. So in this case, the product is minus 30x squared, which is very, very okay. But now let's check the sum. Let's see if we can add together to give us plus 13x. So that means rather than multiplying, we're going to change it to addition. So change this to addition. Now, minus 10x plus 3x, obviously that gives us minus 7x. Now, but look at this. What do we want to achieve? We want to achieve what? Plus 13x. But you can see over here we are having minus 7x. So that tells us that we can't use minus 10x and 3x. So that's why I said you have to be selective. You have to know, you have to pick a certain factor that will satisfy this product and the sum. So now that we know that, let's move on to another one. How about we write up this minus here? And instead of placing the minus here, let's place it here. So this is still going to be minus 30, of course.